Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
At another MongoDB tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the use of projection in MongoDB. What do you mean by projection? Actually, projection means displaying the one or more field. Like here, as I'm using a find command, by using this find command, it displaying all the fields like roll number, name, age, classes, all the fields at once. I want to display only the name field, not all other fields. So this kind of thing is called projection. So how we do? Let's see. In this projection, in find command, we have to give two objects like this. The first object is blank, means to display all the records, and second object means the field which you want to display. For example, I say name and put 1. Okay. So in this condition, I am saying by using this command that display all the records without any condition, but only show the field name. Okay, name equal to 1, and I'm not using here roll number, I'm not using here age, I'm not using here class also. So all other fields are 0 right now. By default they are 0, only name equal to 1, and I press enter. So you see the only names are available here without any condition. But you see by default the object ID is also displaying. So by default the object ID is 1. All other fields are 0, but by default object ID is 1. So we can disable this object ID by passing here 0. So what we are saying here, we are saying that display all the records without any condition, okay, because the condition field is empty, and only display name, and all other fields like ages, class, and roll number are by default 0, but underscore ID is by default 1. So manually we are saying here do not display ID. Okay, and we press enter. You see name is equal to 1 because it's displaying name only, and here ID underscore ID equal to 0, so it would not display ID. Okay, but here the above command where I have not mentioned the underscore ID, so by default underscore ID is 1, so it display underscore ID. Okay, but if I'm giving manually here do not display underscore ID, so it not displaying. Okay, you can put condition also here. In this brush object you can put that where name equal to Vipin. Okay, only display those records. So here by using condition we are displaying only the records where name equal to Vipin. Equal to I am saying here this colon is always key and value pair. Okay, this is condition, and only display name and does not display ID. You can say display age also. We say age equal to 1, so it will display age also. So like this you can use projections in MongoDB.